Hey loves, it's your girl Lovely Angel Lady LAL, of course. Welcome to my channel. So y'all, I actually have like a meeting today, so I was like, since your girl gotta look like something, why not, you know, just do another wig review. And so I wanted to throw on something that was comfortable. I've been holding on to sis forever. When I say for months, okay? My sis Queendom Mindset, she put me on to this one. Queendom Mindset is this girl right here. I'll include her information up here. Y'all go follow her on Instagram, and I know y'all already are subscribed to her channel. I know y'all are. And sis, she be dropping some gems, okay? I love you, girl. But yeah, I love her. Her personality is everything, and sis is very fashionable and super creative with looks, okay? So I'm not sure if I got this link, if I got the purchase link from her channel, but she gave me the idea to even go look for this wig, because I think at the time when she dropped it, the wig was sold out. So I believe I found one that was, you know, pretty much a dupe or similar, very similar, because it looks very much so like the one that she reviewed. So yeah, y'all go show my girl some love, and I'll include the details for y'all as well on this wig, and the purchase link will be below in the description box for y'all, as always, mis amores. So I love this like gorgeous this gorgeous African queen look. You heard me? Oh yeah, I really like it. I have several of these. Y'all have seen me whip out like I think y'all might have seen, yeah, y'all have seen me rock this one. I have like several of them, but because of I was rocking, you know, my butterfly tee today that I caught from Ross, I decided to wear this one with the orange in it. I just love the color, so I was like, we're gonna go for some color today. So that's what we did. Yeah, baby. But I really like it. It's lightweight. No, it's not heavy at all. Not heavy at all. Absolutely not. So, and y'all know I'm a little thing, okay? Your girl is 4'11", little small neck. My neck is short, as y'all can see. But she's not heavy, so she should be good for y'all too. It just depends on the person. What's heavy for one is probably not heavy for another. Everybody is just not the same, so y'all have to just, you know, give it a try. But like, I feel like I can do this without an issue, without a problem. It's actually, to me, it feels lighter than if I were to actually have, you know, like these in my head, like installed, these twists. But they're jumbo twist, and this is synthetic, this piece. And I love these updo wigs, y'all. Like, it makes you feel like you were in a bun, like a bun or a ponytail, and it's just really comfy. So yeah, I'm so happy she put us all on to this one. Like I said, I believe this one is a different link, then I'm not sure, unless I caught it again when they restocked it. But I remember checking a couple times on She Sells Wigs Out, okay? I know when I do reviews, sometimes y'all hit me up and say it's no longer available too, so get on it, okay? I'll look for the link, and if I can't find if it's not available, if it's not in stock, I'll find one that's similar, that looks exactly alike, that's like an exact dupe for y'all, and I'll drop that link below. So I believe it's still in stock, but very affordable. Yeah, if y'all have any questions, let your girl know. Please comment down below. Would you rock a updo wig like this, or have you tried any? And do y'all have any recommendations for some that are your favorites? Anything that you'd like me to try? Anything that you want to see from me? You know, just let your girl know. down below in the comments. Go follow your girl on social media, please, por favor. Yes, because sharing is caring. I would love if you guys would share this video. And also, if you are not official, please make it official by just simply pressing that subscribe button. That's all you gotta do, my loves. Press that subscribe button and you are one of my lovelies. So thank you so much for tuning in to your girl's channel. I'm gonna go ahead and get on with the day. I have so much to do. If you have not already, please go ahead and stop by my store, lovelyangel.shop.com, and I now have an Etsy store too. It is Lovely Angel Shop by LAL on Etsy. Lovely Angel Shop by LAL on Etsy. So if you prefer Etsy, I have more available in my Shopify store. So, and I have more gloss tutorials coming, y'all. Y'all was loving the when I shared the TikTok that I shared in my shorts on here with the banana swirl. Y'all were loving that. So anyway, the tutorial for that is coming, so y'all look out for it. But your girl loves you so much. Be positive, do something great for somebody, be wonderful to yourself, do some self-care. Your girl will see you later. Bye, loves.